Just waiting for breakfast to arrive. And we had some more overnight snow. But once again, can't believe our luck. Almost totally clear blue sky. And look at that, that is just stunning. You'd sit and look at that all day, couldn't you? Well, we've got to go and walk in it, so let's get some breakfast down, get wrapped up and set off on day 12 or 11. One of them. Good morning. Day 12, Lake Gokyo. Just about leaving Lake Gokyo now. As you can see, our rest day we had snow, and overnight we've had snow. Probably a couple of inches in places. But once again, beautifully clear sky. We've got the lake to our side there. And we've set off in probably about -2, I guess. Last night it dipped down to -7. Really cold. Ice on the inside of the bedroom window again. But as soon as you get in the sun, that sun's got some power in it. And I think it'll take some while before it melts this snow. So we just have to be careful where people have trodden and turned the snow into ice. But our destination today is Dole. Quite a short walk, mostly downhill, so that's good. But the scenery is absolutely stunning. Just gives a different aspect to the whole mountains. A lot of these were snow on the side that didn't get the sun, and the side that did get the sun was all thawed, but it's all completely covered now. I'll just swing around a little bit there, you can see the lake behind me. And it is great to start like this. So we hope a bit of an easier day today, but we'll crack on. So it's a final goodbye to Lake Gokyo and surrounding mountains. Next time I see you, I hope I'll be sitting in front of the TV watching this. Bring back some great memories. This is fantastic. Sun's got up a little bit now, so it's definitely warmer. Heading off into the sun, in winter wonderland, in Nepal, in the Himalayas. Fandabidozi. The sun's just starting to get hold of the snow now. It's starting to melt it a bit. It's not as strong as has been. There's cloud about, so it's not a full-on sunshine. But it's certainly warming up. As we're dropping down, the snow's getting thinner and thinner. So I'm not sure how far down the snow line is. We did hear that there was heavy snow at Namche Bazaar, which is tomorrow's destination, last night. So maybe there's snow all the way for the rest of the trek, I don't know. But certainly if the sun gets stronger, it won't take long to thaw this snow. But it's making it a beautiful scenery. It's fantastic. The mountains in the distance there look awesome. This is the fourth and the lowest of the 4 Gokyo lakes we're passing. All interlinked in the highest freshwater lake system in the world. Beautifully surrounded by mountains. We walk down to the outlet of this lake and then follow the valley down somewhere. Just a final look back at the valley we've come along, and just leaving the last lake now, with mountains high above it, all dappled in sunlight and snow. And heading out down here. Bright sunshine now, it's really warmed up. Probably above freezing. I've just come across quite a few little tiny cairns. I thought it might have been a memorial, but Ram says it's just for good luck. You see them all across the valley here. The porters are putting them up for wish themselves good luck. But onwards we go, down the valley, still in a winter wonderland. So let's talk weather, shall we? If you were planning a trip to the Himalayas to do Everest Base Camp and Gokyo Lakes, you would want perfect weather. You'd want to wake up to sunshine, clear blue skies every day. You'd like it to stay like that all day long for 11 days in a row, and maybe clouds 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 4 o'clock in the afternoon when it doesn't really matter. And that's exactly what we've got, or had. Absolutely amazing. Porters haven't ever seen anything like this. Now, we had a rest day yesterday and it clouded over. Didn't matter, just meant that we had to rest, which was great. We had an option to climb Gokyo Ri, but when we got over and that was covered in cloud, we thought, no, just have a rest all day. So we had light snow yesterday and heavy snow overnight. I woke up this morning to guess what? Clear blue sky again, perfect weather. Looks like a winter wonderland. Absolutely amazing weather. Couldn't have planned this any better at all. Now, we've only got 2 days to go after today, and not sure what will happen weather-wise. The forecast is for occasional light showers. We've heard that Namche Bazaar has had heavy snow overnight as well, but that's tomorrow afternoon's destination, so whether that'll still be there or not, I don't know. But this has just been an amazing walk so far, capped off by the amazing weather. I mean, just stunning. Cannot believe it. It's like the valley opens up drastically here to create even more stunning views. See the cloud rolling in, that might be the light snow showers that's a forecast for this afternoon, but I don't know. They look heavy enough to carry snow. And it sounds like a big waterfall here, and a dodgy bridge, of which we have had many. Wow, look at that view. That is amazing. Wow, that is a torrent and a half. So there's a lot of snow coming, or snow meltwater coming down there. Oh, I think I'm going to have to be very careful here because that looks a precarious ledge to walk around. Taking it slowly. It's been a good 2 or 3 inches in places. When it's out of the sun, it's still there. Soon we'll build a good path around here, all the way down there. So that's our route goes all the way down this valley, down these stairs, I'll have to watch where my feet are going now. That is a raging torrent now. A lot of glacial meltwater and snow meltwater there. We've been descending all morning. Just got a bit of a short ascent now up to the ridgeline there where the prayer flags are, and then a short descent down into Mashemo where we have a tea break. Oh, just look at that, the sun on them now. There's dappled cloud about today, so it's warm in the sun and cool out of it. And you can see up the valley where we've descended from there. So that waterfall was right up there. The sun on the mountains behind. Just dropping down off the ridge now into Mashemo for probably a hot lemon tea or something like that, and some chocolate of course. We've just ascended to a little ridgeline after Mashemo, looking down at the next valley. Dole will be right down the bottom somewhere, that's where we're heading. And look at the sun on that mountainside over there. That's brilliant. Just below the cloud level, so we're not getting much sun. Oh, it's amazing, isn't it? Fabulous. The sun has come up to my left again. The phone is soon going to be full of photos and videos. I'm going to get some more snow because those clouds are quite heavy. Oh, we're still on the path to Dole. We left Mashemo behind us now, probably about 30-40 minutes behind us. We've been on this sort of trail path high above the valley below all the way. I think it's what you'd call Nepali flat. A little bit up, a little bit down. Quite a pleasant walk. You see the sun's come out on some of the mountains up there now. It's looking quite stunning. Haven't had any more snow, and I don't think we've got more than about an hour to go, maybe an hour and 20 minutes or something like that. It's been a very pleasant path. As you can see, we've got the path to ourselves now, which makes a pleasant change from the Everest base camp path, which was chock-a-block. It's very peaceful. There's even less helicopters as well. As you can see, we're high above the valley, high above the river, and still above the snow line. What a view again. There's the village of Dole, where we are staying this evening. It's getting a bit windy now. Well, that was a fairly easy day, nearly all downhill. Wouldn't have been as interesting if we hadn't had last night's snow, which made it absolutely beautiful and amazing. But we're here now. I think it's about 1:30-ish. So we're going to have some lunch in there and probably a little afternoon nap for a couple of hours, and come back down or back to the living lounge area for some tea about 6:30. I'm getting a little bit of blue sky. I think the sun has beat the snow today. Might have a bit of snow overnight, but getting lower now, so I hope it doesn't, because the lower we get it's going to turn to rain. That wind's very cold though, very cold.